Hey YouTube, I want to share with you today a question that I received from one of my clients. The question is, how do you get really muscular biceps without hammer curls? How do you get really muscular biceps without hammer curls? So I will show you how that can be done. For one, let me show you what a hammer curl is if you don't know. A hammer curl is this particular exercise right here. Okay, let me take off my shirt. I want to show you how it looks. Okay, hammer curl. Okay, this is a hammer curl with both hands this time. And what is working, I'm going to show you. What is working is the bicep. The outside of the bicep and the inside of the bicep. Okay? Hammer curl. Notice the hammer curl is like using a hammer. If you're using a hammer, you're going to slam down, right? So that's why they call it a hammer curl. There are two ways that I want you to build your biceps. Two ways. One, notice from the hammer curl position, I want you to turn the arm inside. Notice how the bicep is exposed more as opposed to this way. So we're going to lengthen the bicep by rotating the hand out, okay? And we're going to perform bicep curls. You can do a single arm bicep curl. You can do a single arm bicep curl, or you can perform a double arm bicep curl. But make sure that the hands are facing upwards as opposed to facing each other. This is a hammer curl. You need to be doing a bicep curl. Now, notice, as I perform this bicep curl, because my other arm is tired, as I'm performing this bicep curl, my bicep is lengthening. That means it's getting long. See? The bicep is getting long. It goes from short to long. This leads me to the other idea that I want you to practice for your bicep building. You're going to do pull-ups, okay? Pull-ups or chin-ups. Now, this isn't the exercise, but you know when you go to the park or when you're at the gym and you see a long bar, you can grab that bar, wide grip, and you can pull up. Do you see how my biceps are looking? They're small, they're contracted. That helps stretch. See? It helps stretch the bicep. The bicep is stretched. So when you're at the bottom of the pull-up, you pull up, the bicep is short, you go down, the bicep is long. You pull up, notice how that bicep is working. And I'm not even doing a pull-up. I'm doing a artificial pull-up. You pull up, just like that. And that'll help build your bicep. To get a stronger contraction on your bicep, you can go inwards this way. You would turn your arms inward, doing your pull-up. So you'll go down and you pull up. What? As if you were doing a pull-up. when you're doing your pull-up, you're going to go down, you're going to pull up. You're going to go down, and you're going to pull up. Let me show you what it would look like with a single arm pull-up, but you can't do that. Some of you probably can, but you can't really do it. So you go down, look how the bicep stretches here, and you pull up. Look how it contracts. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you find my YouTube answer to my client very beneficial to yourself. Those two variations, the bicep pull-up and the curl-up, whether you go wide grip or closed grip, which is the curl-up, I hope you find those very useful. So keep the questions coming. Have a good day.